Mixed numbers and improper fractions. These are both ways of representing a number that is more than 1 and also has part of that is a fraction. So if we were to look here, a mixed number representation of this is going to be if we have these 3 circles, well, 1 circle filled in, 2 circle filled in, and then 1/4 of a circle filled in. So this would be 2 and 1/4. Now an improper fraction, the mixed number has a whole number portion and then a fraction portion. An improper fraction has a numerator, so the top number, that is bigger than the denominator. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fourths. And changing them from one to the other sometimes makes it easier when performing certain mathematical operations like division with fractions and multiplication with fractions. So, if you look here, changing a mixed number to an improper fraction requires multiplication, and changing an improper fraction to a mixed number requires division. So, and that makes sense because all you're doing is, with this 3 here, if I'm changing this mixed number into an improper fraction, all I'm doing is I'm taking each of these 3 pieces, 3 full pieces, and I'm changing them into fourths. And when I do that, well, when I change 1 piece into a fourth, what do I end up with? I end up with 4 pieces. And if I change 3 of them into fourths, then I'm going to end up with a total of 12 pieces. 12 fourths. But remember, the 4 goes into the 12 and you get the 3. So how many do I have total then? Well, I'm going to have 13 fourths because I have 12 fourths and 1 more fourth. Same thing here. All I'm doing is I'm dividing this 5 into fifths. So 5 times this is one way of thinking about this. 5 times the denominator is going to be 25. So I know I'm going to have 25 fifths. And now I have to go ahead and add that to the 4 up at the top that I already have, and so then I have 29 fifths. Now here, this here is going to be, if you write an improper fraction as a mixed number, you need to divide. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, 5 goes into 28 how many times? Well, I know 5 goes into 28 5 times, and I know I have some leftovers. Well, 5 times 5 is 25, so I'm going to have 3 pieces left over. So that's how I write it up there. So I have 3 fifths left over. 5 full pieces and 3 pieces left over. And same thing here. 4, how many times does it go into 15? It goes in 3 times. And then I have 3 pieces left over because 4 times 3 is 12. And then 12, to go from 12 to 15, I need to add 3 more. And that's it.